We have here a small pocket atlas or a geographical gazetteer in a nice full leather binding of the era. This is a French European style binding with a smooth spine, these just beautiful gilt decorations and stamps in the compartments with a contrasting title label like so. Full leather covers. We see this is a Universal Geography of Crozat, and it's 1822 in Paris. It is supposedly ornamented with 7 maps, but in fact it contains 15 folding maps, and this one is a map of the world in double hemispheres, like so. Then, as we start to flip through it, we'll see that the first map we come to is Europe, like this, slightly misfolded, as is typical in gazetteers of this vintage. And we have here a map of France. And then we'll make our way through it so you can see what's inside. Here's an interesting map, yes, of the United Provinces, or the Low Countries, so to speak, the Netherlands, Belgium. And then here is a map of Italy, like so. Very crude, almost primitive in nature. It's almost like folk art engraving. Here we have Spain and Portugal. This is, in effect, a small pocket atlas, is what this is, with geographical description. Here is the British Isles, Ireland, Wales, Scotland, England. And here we have Scandinavia, Sweden and Norway, with Finland here, Livonia, so on. Here's St. Petersburg. Here we have Poland. Yes, interesting, nice map of Poland. And then we have here Russia in Europe, like so. And then we get to Turkey in Europe, the Balkans, with Hungary and Greece, and part of Turkey there. And as we continue on, we'll get to this map of the continent of Africa. Look at that mountain range right there. It's very strange. Then we find right here, very interesting map of North America. New Albion over here. Look at this extension for the coast of Alaska. There's the mythical kingdom of Quivira. And Florida is way over here, almost to Santa Fe and the Rocky Mountains. Look at this Mississippi River here. Yes, it's very strange. Mountain range going straight down the middle of Florida. Very curious map of North America. And here we see there's South America. And that brings us to an index at the rear, a geographical table, and so on. I think we skipped over a map of Asia, the general map of Asia, but there is one in here. And so this, here it is right here. I'll just show you real briefly. Look at the shape, the outline shape of the Arabian Peninsula right there. New Guinea still shown as a partial outline down here. There's Company's Land right there, a mythical island or landmass north of Jeso in Japan. And interesting that it appears on a map of this vintage. And so this well-preserved and attractive early 19th century gazetteer is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.